Channel, and today's video is about Sarojini Nagar Hall. So I don't think I need to say anything else about it. So without further ado, let's get into what I bought from Sarojini Nagar this time. So the first thing that I got is what you can see here. I'm wearing this top right now. This is a quarter sleeve top and it's such a comfy and breathable material. And this has got floral print all over it, and this is the favorite piece that I've got. So I just couldn't resist to even wear it. This is what I got for only $100. So I'll put in a close-up of all the clothes that I've got so that you can get an idea of what you can get from there. The next thing I got is this dress. Is this maxi dress. So this has got straps, a white base, and this print all over it, and this looks like this. So it has got these straps here, a V kind of a neck, and it goes long. It has two slits over here, and this goes, see, I'm really short, so it goes till my ankles, and I got this for 300. I tried to bargain. This was all over Sarojini. Every other shopkeeper was actually having it, so I tried to bargain it to as low as I could, but nobody was actually willing to give it for less than 300. So I thought that I should buy it because I really liked it and it fits me really well. That I got is actually a shrug, and this is how it looks like, and it is a full length shrug. It's a blue kind of a shrug, very soft material, and it has a floral print all over it, and I got this for 200. And the plus point of this shrug is that this shrug even has pockets, so anything this with pockets is a plus. So look, it has a pocket here, so that's very nice for a shrug, right? Then I got a kaftan kind of a top here. This is how it looks like. I'll put in the close-ups of all of these clothes so that you know. It has such a beautiful print all over it, and this was really the one that got my eye as soon as I entered the shop. So here it is, and it has a cinch at the waist as a normal kaftan. So I got this for 200. Shop I got two tops. So one is this. It is a red top with black leaves all over it, and it's a very loose and comfy top. I need to get it altered. The other one as well that I got from the same shop. This, and this is a stripy blue top. This is very loose to me, so I have to get it altered, or I'll put a knot at the end of the top and wear it like that. It will look really stylish that way. This one and this one, and both of these I got for 230, I guess. I got these both for 230. Topper of all the clothes that I bought. This is a noodle strap jumpsuit, okay, and it's a tie-dye kind of a jumpsuit. Look at this. It's a full-length jumpsuit. I have to get it altered because the straps are too long, so I have to get the straps shortened. So this is what I got for only 50 bucks. Yes, you can hear me. This is only for 50 bucks. Got this top. This is a very soft cottony material with this print all over it, and I got this for 150. Yeah. So it is a very breathable top to wear every day when you're going out for a normal day out or whatever. If you want to be comfortable, so this is the top you can wear. This is a very soft cottony material, and this is how it looks. Clothing that I got is this top. There's a very basic top, white top with black print all over it, and it's a very comfy and breathable kind of a top. And this was also for only 100 bucks. I got is also a top or t-shirt kind of a thing. This is a tie-dye print all over it, and I loved it so much. As soon as I looked at it, I wanted it. So this is what it looks like. Such a soft material to wear, believe me. For this cheap, this is such a nice top to have. And this was also for 150. Last piece of clothing that I got is this shrug. So this is a grey, normal, basic shrug. It goes till your knees. Yeah, it goes till your knees. This is such a nice and cotton shrug that you can wear with anything you want to. So this is all I got. Clothes. So the only piece of accessory that I got is this. This is a layered kind of a necklace, and this was for 50 rupees, I guess. So this looks really nice. If you like this haul, and if you did, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.